videographer. Okay siya.
O, tapos, message share na yan.
Alisin. Alisin mo. Pwede lang yan. Alisin. Yan.
Ma'am, happy birthday and happy Mother's Day. Happy birthday, you make every day a great day. I'm so proud of the God and wonderful mother.
Wow.
Yeah, bigyan kayo kay ma'am. Lalagay niya sa kanyang diary. Next, Ate Flora ko. From Jonathan. Happy birthday and Mother's Day, ma'am. Today, I will invite you to the nice day of peace and good
Wow. Dapat nalapit.
Kuya Junard.
Ako na ba? Kailangan pogi. Yan. Happy birthday po, ma'am. I hope you have a wonderful day and that the year ahead is full of fun and adventure. From Junard. Yes.
Ano tayo nagpapaquiz din? Sir JR.
Yan, ito ma'am.
Malapit yan.
First of all, ma'am, happy birthday and happy Mother's Day po. Sending lots of love and a big virus-free hug on your birthday. I miss your
Virus-free hug.
And I can't wait to take you out to party properly once the lockdown is over.
Yan na sinasabi ko habang wala ka na kay Okay, ma'am. Huwag mo kaming pababayaan. Yung lagi po naka-quarantine mula kay Elsa.
Pag may face-to-face na, tuloy ang lakad.
Happy birthday and happy Mother's Day, Ma'am Rose. Today, you are you. That is truer than true. There is no one alive who is truer than you. Happy birthday from Ma'am Elsa.
Wow!
Okay, mula kay Ma'am Rosie Salem. O, kaboses ko naman.
Okay. From Ma'am Rosie. Ma'am, thanks for always believing in me, Ma'am Rose. Have a terrific birthday today.
Oh, thank you. Yan. Mula kay Ma'am Lina na takot ma-COVID.
Aha. Mula po kay Ma'am Lina. I want to thank you, ma'am, for being the most loving and caring person in the entire world. No one understands me better than you. Happy birthday from Ma'am Lina.
Ayan.
Ano dito ah?
Mula kay Ate Che.
Che.
Pakibasa ulit. Che Mercado po. From Ma'am Che. Happy birthday and happy Mother's Day, Ma'am Rose. I will not say you're old. You're just been young for longer than most of us. Happy birthday. Yay. Yes. Happy birthday and happy Mother's Day, Ma'am Rose. I wouldn't say you're old. You just been young for longer than most of us. Happy birthday. Eh, syempre mula sa akin. So, at dahil saan, ma'am, so, tinatanggap po namin, kailangan po dig of donation. Nakikirmahan po, ma'am. Ito po ang aming nakayanan para sa iyo. Okay.
Wala lang po, wala lang
At ang mga maliit na bagay. Hindi po man kami natakot sa cobra para halabasin ang photo.
Nauna na po yung ibang logo, napalipad na po ni Sir Rosso.
Signed by JR. Yung logo na iba. Ang logo. Bawa, hinayang kami sa logo. At least nakita mo, ma'am. Itong upuan na ito, ma'am. Wag mo na upuan yung iba, ito na lang. Ano yung makikita mo ito? Galing ito sa amin yan sa mga anak-anakan ko.
Yeah.
Yan.
Yan, ma'am. Coffee.
Sa kanan daw po yung maternity. Ano ba? Hindi pa ka daw. Ito lang, ang saglit lang.
Tapos i-picturean natin tapos.
Siyempre, ma'am.
Yan.
Bulaklak dito ay nagmula pa sa Baguio talaga.
Wow!
Sukto lang magpaswap test si Kuya Junard. Tapos ito, ma'am, nauubusan na namin kanina yung pagiging
Kumasya ba tayo dyan?
pagiging maarte namin sa haba ng pila sa dialysis.
Kumasya ba kumasya?
Siyempre, ang haba ng pila man kanina.
Oo.
Kumadre, classmate.
Isang kilometro.
Kumusta yung aming day? Nagtataka yung dialysis. Wala naman kami in-order. Biglang may doon. O, diba? Happy birthday
to you.
Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Tagalog!
Maligayang bati, maligayang bati, maligayang, maligayang, maligayang bati.